guys, it's Brett Lane with Ingenious Marketing, and today on FDC's Ecom education blog, what we're going to talk about is SEO and e-commerce. So I want to bring to your attention 3 tools that will help you rank your site and get it to be much faster so you can have the opportunity for ranking for more keywords at Google. So the first tool is called SEMrush.com. This tool is really cool in that they will enable you to conduct an SEO audit for your website, which will give you in-detailed information as to what you can do to get your site to be optimized. You're going to have 30 to 50 different data points as to what you can do. I highly suggest running the tool, getting the information, and then fixing what it says to fix, and then rerunning the tool to see how high your score has become. The second tool is Google's Page Insight tool. Now this tool will enable you to see how fast your website is to users on desktop applications and mobile phones. Google's going to enable you to put in a URL, you hit the submit button, and within literally 30 seconds you're going to get a lot of really good information as to how you can get your site to be faster in the eyes of Google. Why is this important? It's important because Google now says for your site to be able to rank, you have to be able to have a better user experience. And if you have a site that is fast, you're giving consumers a better user experience. So at the end of the day, faster is better for Google's users. The third is called GTmetrix, gtmetrix.com. This tool is also another site speed tool that will enable your users to get to content that much quicker, which also makes your site look even better in Google's eyes. So if you look at using these 3 tools in conjunction with one another, you're going to have a site that is architecturally sound. It's going to be way faster when a user visits it via a desktop browser or a mobile phone application. So I highly recommend using those 3 tools, spending a good amount of time to implement the changes that they recommend, and then rerunning the tools to see how much better your scores have increased. Once again, this is Brett Lane from Ingenious Marketing. It's been a pleasure providing you with this information, and I look forward to creating new videos for you guys in the future.